Hey everybody, today we're working on this door here. What happens with it is you open it and it'll self-close. And that's something that can be very uncomfortable. Not the old tenants that used to be here, it's not their spirits. You don't need an exorcist, nothing like that. It's a very simple repair. So all we're doing in this simple repair is I'm going to take one of the pins out. That's pretty simple. Just you need a screwdriver and a hammer or something to hit it with. Don't use your favorite screwdriver, because even though I am using mine. Take the pin out, see how it's nice and straight. We'll take care of that. Okay, so we've got our pin. It's nice and straight. All we're gonna do is need a little piece of board or anything that you can hit on. And this is concrete. You want to hit it on concrete. You don't want to do it in your living room or your tile or carpet. It's got to be on concrete. And that's what you're going to do is you're going to just bend. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, as you can see, got the bent pin here. We're going to put it in the back of the hinge. Of course, it's going to fight us a little bit, but it's okay. Once you got it in there a little bit, should be no problem. It's bent now, so it's going to put a different pressure on the hinge, and that should do it. Our door should stay fine. Simple as that. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe. I'm starting this channel. I'll be uploading how-to videos. Easy stuff, not the really complicated stuff, but the stuff that homeowners can use, that maintenance techs can use, that investors can use, that property managers can use. I'm going to be uploading stuff that I've learned over time, and that a lot of my colleagues have taught me too, and they're still teaching me, because I'm still always learning. And so I want to share it with you guys, and I'm hoping you guys will find value in my videos, and I'm hoping you guys subscribe. Thank you.